In this video you will learn how to use the CIP Filler Part tab to create CIP filler parts into the empty areas and floors created with floor layout. The empty areas are spaces created by offsets around the exterior and interior boundaries. There may also be empty areas when the slab is too narrow to be created with floor layout. Double-click the slab to open its properties. Open the CIP Filler Part tab. You can select whether CIP filler parts are created. Select Yes to create a filler part. If the empty space is smaller than the minimum width, the part is not created in this location. You can control the minimum width by adding a new value. You can define the name, class, material, finish, and pour phase of the CIP filler parts. Finally, you can choose whether the seam gaps are filled.